today is I can't talk because Sophia. I can't talk because Sophia. Today is Mondays with Mimi. We're making edible Play-Doh, and we're gonna eat the Play-Doh. So I'm super excited, and let's get started. We need half a cup of icing, and then a spatula. When Sophia's eating the whipped cream frosting. So we need powdered sugar. We have to mix it now. It's like I'm a real artistic baker. It's good, Canada. Oh, I just spilled it. Mix it all around. We need the sugar all to go like just to make it like this. It smells good. Sophia, you need to mix it up. Mix it up, Sophia. It kind of smells bad. Sophia, haircut. Sophia, mix. Okay. See? Mix it up. Sophia, you made a mess. Sophia, you made a mess on the chair. Sophia, you ate the sugar. Add whatever food coloring you like. Whatever you like. I chose pink. So we just keep mixing it until it's coming pink. It can either add more powdered sugar. It's okay if we make a mess, huh? Oh! It's kind of hard to mix. When it gets hot, we need to use our hands. Look at my hands. Mix it up really good. It's actually good. You could do whatever you want. You could eat it and decorate it. Well, first I'm gonna do a well, guys, comment down below what color Play-Doh you would make. Ooh, that looks nice. Now I'm gonna decorate it. Of course, guys, you could eat the sprinkles. It's little sprinkles. You always eat the sprinkles. Always you can eat the sprinkles. Doesn't it look cute, guys? That looks like a party. Party in the elevator. Party in the elevator. Guys, this is a kind of hard experiment and dirty. Well, it's okay. You can just clean it out. Oh my God. You took more of my Play-Doh. here. So mad at you, Sophia. I made gourmet cookies and let me show you all of them. So this one's a little turtle. And this one is just a normal cookie. And these are just two halves what I just wanted. I'm making a mom. How about just a heart? That's sweet. Let's do a taste test. Okay, here we go. Guys, watch me. I'm gonna eat now. It's so sweet! I like it. It's just too sweet. I gave it a 10. So comment down below if you liked it or you didn't.